Current Meghalaya Governor and former BJP MP Satyapal Malik on Sunday urged the government to not use force against farmers protesting against the new farm laws and claimed that he had intervened to ensure that farmer leader Rakesh Tikait was not arrested. Addressing a felicitation ceremony in Bagpat's Shilchand Inter College, he stated that the government should pay heed to demands of the farmers. Malik said he had requested the Home Ministry to not harm the protesters at Delhi borders. I requested both Prime Minister and Home Minister that they should not send the farmers back empty-handed and that they should not use force against them. The Sikhs will remember it for 300 years. The day there was talk of Tikait being arrested, I intervened at 11 pm, making sure it did not happen, he said. Now his 1.5-minute clip in which he talks of convincing Prime Minister Narendra Modi to accept the MSP demand of farmers is being widely circulated. Mr. Malik, who himself is a Jat leader from Western Uttar Pradesh, also talks about aftermath of Operation Blue Star carried out by former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in his address to convey a lesson to the Modi government. Here is what Mr. Malik said.
अब भी कल मैं एक बहुत बड़े जर्नलिस्ट से मिलकर आया हूं जो प्रधानमंत्री के बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं और मैंने उन्हें कहा कि भाई मैं तो कोशिश कर ली, अब तुम उनको समझाओ ये गलत रास्ता है। किसानों को दबा के यहाँ से भेजना, अपमानित करके दिल्ली से भेजना, पहले तो ये जाएंगे नहीं, ये जाने को नहीं आए दिल्ली में। दूसरे चले गए तो ये 300 बरस भूलेंगे नहीं, लिहाजा इनको कुछ देके एक चीज है, ज्यादा करना भी नहीं है, सिर्फ एमएसपी का कानूनी तौर पे उसको मान्यता दे दो, सारा मामला मेरी जिम्मेवारी है, मैं नहीं बंटवा दूंगा। अगर एमएसपी को कानूनी मान्यता दे देंगे तो इन कानूनों में तो जो संशोधन चाहते हैं किसान दे देंगे, सरकार तैयार है, मामला खत्म हो जाएगा। लेकिन अगर ये ज्यादा चलता रहे तो मैं नहीं जानता आप में से कितने लोग जानते हो, लेकिन मैं सिखों को जानता हूं। मिसेस गांधी ने जब ब्लू स्टार किया उसके बाद उन्होंने अपने फार्म हाउस पे 1 महीना महामृत्युंजय का यज्ञ कराया। अरुण नेहरू ने मुझे बताया कि मैंने कहा कि क्योंकि आप तो एक बात नहीं मांगती थी, आप ये क्यों करा रही हैं? तो उन्होंने कहा कि तुम्हें पता नहीं है, मैंने इनका अकाल तक तोड़ा है, ये मुझे छोड़ेंगे नहीं, इसलिए करा रही हूं। और उनको इल्हाम था कि ये होगा।
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
The emerging backbone of India's economy are our startups. They represent India's youth. They represent India's aspirations. They represent India's hopes. They represent our fight against an insensitive bureaucracy, against an insensitive system. They represent the fight of our startup entrepreneurs against an indifferent system, against an insensitive banker, against challenges of dealing with the government, and against all the odds with which they started a startup. Every startup begins with a brilliant idea, a unique idea, an idea which nobody else thought of, and that becomes a business enterprise. We are starting our next episode series on what we call startup stories. It is a curiosity to know what was that idea, what was the motivation, what was the determination because of which one talented entrepreneur, without any background of business perhaps, decided to venture out on his own and create a successful enterprise. These are the ideas that motivate us also. If you have a startup story which is interesting, we would want to talk to you also. Come back to us with your own startup stories, and you might also be the person we would like to talk to.